Another strategy for motivating employees is to increase their participation. Employee involvement is a participative process that uses employees' input to increase their commitment to the organization and its success. The underlying logic here is that by involving them in decisions that affect them and by increasing their sense of autonomy and control over their work lives, they'll become more motivated, more willing to stay with the organization, more productive, and more satisfied with their job. Participative management is one way of getting people involved and increasing participation, allowing employees to make decisions and share decision-making power with their managers is one way of doing this. There is evidence that participative management can improve morale and increase productivity. One of the challenges is that in order for this to happen, there has to be a few things put in place first: trust and confidence in the leader, the manager. Without these prerequisites, the effect on performance is usually much lower.